Morning, time to make the coffee. Today's flavor is dark chocolate hazelnut, and it's very good. It was Aldi's flavor. I didn't see it the last time I went there, or I would have picked up another box of it, but it's very tasty. So today's high temperature is going to be 71 degrees, but it's a little bit rainy. It rained overnight, but I think that'll probably clear up a little bit this afternoon. So this morning I'm going to go meet another friend for breakfast, which will be nice. We get together every couple months and just have a breakfast. So all my friends, my breakfast friends, will have been met up with this past week. So, I am so glad this election is over with. And I know some people are extremely happy and some people are extremely upset, but I'm hoping that we can come together as a people, as a nation, and put our differences aside and work together so that this country will become great again. Anyway, that's my talk about it. So that's all I'm going to say, except I will be so happy to stop getting spam texts and all that political mail and telephone calls. And I'm so happy that I won't have to get any more of those. And I'm sure you are too. So today I'm going to go, there's a Costco right where I meet my friend for breakfast, and I'm going to go fill up my gas tank there today. Costco has the best price on gas. At least that's what I find in my area. So, yeah, I have to get ready and get dressed, and then I want to try out, I bought a new stick vac, and it's a rechargeable one. It's a Kenmore. I haven't tried it yet, but I like it. I like the way it looks, I like the weight of it, and I like the attachments that come with it. And I like that you can wash the filter. It came with two filters, so if one's wet, you can put the other one in. But that for me was an important feature because the cloth filters, you have to replace those all the time, and the dirt really sticks in them. So I want to check that out maybe later today and see how long it actually runs. I got it all charged up. I tried to find one that has a long run time. And I think this one is either 45 minutes or an hour run time. So we'll see, but I want it to run long enough to vacuum my whole downstairs here. And I should be able to do that within, 25 minutes to a half an hour. So cheers. Oh, that's hot, but it's so good. Coming up in the next week or so, I also have some gadgets that I want to review that were sent to me from companies, which was very nice of them. And a lot of times we as YouTubers will receive free products to review, and I always give an honest review. If I don't like a product, I won't say it's terrible or anything like that. I just won't review it because it is a matter of opinion in a lot of situations, and somebody else might love the product. So anyway, but I do have a couple products that I like that I want to do a review on, and I hope you guys don't mind. But what's nice is you usually get a percentage off of whatever it is. So, okay, well, that's all I have to report today. I have to get ready and go meet up with my friend. And first, I'm going to go over the budget book before I do that. So I will meet you over there at the budget book. Okay, well, here I am back at the budget book. Yesterday, I did spend money. I went out to breakfast. I didn't buy anything else, but I did go out to breakfast, so that goes on the budget book. And today, I'll do more of the same. So, I'm trying to keep it more on the low spend. Anything that I buy, I'm trying to buy on sale. So today I'm going to, like I said, go to Costco after breakfast and fill up my tank. And I'm going to do that all winter long because all my prep work and stuff like that is mainly also for the winter. So, I don't know, maybe we won't have a lot of snow, and that would be great. But there's a potential where we might get a lot of snow. I've heard long-term forecasts for both here in my area. So, Dick Goddard, who was our one weatherman, he was really good. He worked for Channel 8 for years and years. He's passed away now, but he always used to say predicting the weather is a WAG, W-A-G, and what that stood for was a wild-ass guess. So, but he was a good weatherman, and he was very pro-animal. He always, helped out the rescue animals and things like that. He was a very beloved weatherman. So, everybody watched Dick Goddard. Anyway, that's changed too. So I don't watch the mainstream news, never have, never will. And I'm glad that I have other sources of news that I can watch. So, but anyway, that way I'm hoping that our economy turns around and the groceries at least come down and the cost of housing. That would be great. So we'll have to wait and see. But the good thing is that the people that will be coming into office are more pro the economy, for our economy, rather than the world economy. So we'll have to wait and see, All you can do is hope and pray that things work out just fine. So I know a lot of us are struggling. A lot of people are struggling more than others. A lot of people have lost their homes. Homelessness is at an all-time record high. So I hope things turn around for those people and that we all have a little bit more comfortable lifestyle. But like I said, we'll have to wait and see. So that's pretty much it on my budget chat for today. I'll get another red X tomorrow. And then hopefully I can collect some green check marks. So, all right. I'll be back. Okay, here's my new stick vac. And I wanted something like this. I didn't want something where I had to hold on to the motor up here because that gets heavy after a while. So, I haven't tried it yet. It's a Kenmore. And we'll see. So it comes with, I'm not affiliated with this. I bought it on my own dime, but a couple people were asking and if I liked it. So this is the charging station, and it comes with 2 brushes and I forget what you call that. But anyway, and then you just put it back on there to charge. So I'm going to give it a try and see if I like it. I hope I do. Here we go. Alright, it's a little hard to turn on. I don't know why. It's easy to push. Let's see. Now I have this on low. It has 2 settings. It's not super, super loud. It's got a nice light because it's a very gloomy day. Let's see how it does on this little carpet. Alright, I think I would have to go, sorry for the bad video, I would have to go in one direction. And the thing I liked about this is it had a thing where you could clean up, it would cut off the hair, any hair that got stuck in there. So it works real well going one direction on this little carpet. So let's see. It stands up nicely. It's lightweight, not real heavy. I can lift it with one hand. And it's got this little button here where you can take the handheld vac off. So I think I'm going to like it. I'm going to go ahead and do a little more vacuuming. And back here it's got where it's got a little lever that you push down and it cuts the hair from the roller. So I think I'm going to like it. Alright, again, it's a Kenmore, and I paid about $100 for it on Amazon. Okay, well, this is the handheld portion of it. Comes out of there, and I think it did a great job. Look at all that hair. Did a great job on the throw rugs. That was always a problem for me. Either it wasn't picking anything up or it just didn't, all my other vacuums haven't worked right. So far, I was able to clean the whole downstairs floor in a little over 10 minutes, and I think it did a great job. So if it continues, I think, to perform well, I would give this a thumbs up. Is the big wad of hair it picked up, and I just vacuumed a couple days ago, so yeah, that worked great. Got up all the doggy hair, right, Bandit? Did it get up all your doggy hair? So it's really easy to take apart. It came with an extra filter. You can just rinse it off. And you can rinse this out. This comes out. And like I said, I'm not affiliated with these people. I just bought this on my own dime, but I know some of you were looking, and yeah, I like this machine, and hopefully the battery holds out. So go ahead and read the reviews and then make your own informed decision. But I would definitely give it 5 rating so far. Tonight's dinner, I bought this at Aldi's last time I went shopping, and it's specialty macaroni and cheese, tomato and mozzarella, and it comes in a pouch inside the box, and all you do is add 2 1/3 cups of water, and then you just cook it. You simmer it. So I've never tried this before, but it sounded really good. So I'm going to have a really quick and easy meal. I'm going to have this and salad that I bought that needs to be used up. And I ate almost all the salad that I had bought. I have one more serving left after this one. And I also have some not chicken that I'm going to be having with it. So quick and easy and inexpensive. This will make a couple meals. And there's 2 servings in the box, but I think I could probably stretch it to 3. I don't know, we'll see once it's done. So I'll show it to you once I plate it up. Here's tonight's dinner. Looks good to me. I have, it's like Beyond Chicken. So, and it's the tenders. And then this is the mac and cheese, and it's really good. And then I made a salad. I have shredded coleslaw on there, and some cheese, and baby romaine lettuce. So that's going to be my dinner for tonight, and I still have plenty here for another meal or 2. So there we go, using up what I have in the freezer and refrigerator and pantry. Okay, so that is my opinion on the little rechargeable stick vac that I bought. So far, I really like it, you know, unless it gets a mechanical failure or the battery doesn't last long, but I was able to do the whole downstairs with one charge, and it was super easy to clean, and it really picked up a lot of hair. It's got 2 settings, low and high. So I did the carpets on high, and I just kind of switched back and forth. Now the only drawback that I could find was that it's a little stiff. The turning on switch is a little stiff for one finger, but I don't have a lot of strength in my hands. But if I use my 2 hands, it's real easy to turn on. So that's the only thing, and it might just be this particular machine, or I don't know if that's all the machines. But anyway, and then I like that it comes with an extra filter, and it had all the attachments I like. So anyway, I'll try and remember to leave a link in the description box below, but if I forget, it's a Kenmore stick vac, and it's not hard to find on Amazon. So, but like I said, do your own research, read some of the reviews, and then make a decision on if it's the right thing for you. So, sometimes after you've been through a very stressful thing, some traumatic things, and then things you hope have resolved, you kind of, I don't know if it's a post-traumatic stress thing, but it's like you're waiting for the other shoe to drop. It's like, okay, this went well, but so you're just waiting for the other shoe to drop. So anyway, obviously I'm talking about the election yesterday, and it went much, much smoother than what we had anticipated. So we'll see. Hopefully it stays on the right track. Yeah, it's been a gloomy day today. We got some rain. We kind of needed some rain, but so anyway, it's a lot of things like that are in life, you know, if you've gone through a lot of stress and then all of a sudden the stress has resolved, you're kind of, okay, now what? So not that you're not happy about it, but You definitely are. So anyway, I don't have a whole lot going on. I'm going to make myself a little cup of something, tea or coffee, and just relax. I did get my floors all vacuumed, so yay. And I was thinking that if like I vacuum every other day and dust like maybe just with a Swiffer every maybe 3 days or whatever I can, I think I'll be it'll be much easier for me to keep my house clean and not spend a whole lot of time doing it, because I have a whole lot of other things, you know, piles of this and piles of that need to be put away, things I've purged, things that need to be given in a donation box. So I can still continue to do that. And I'm giving myself a week to do each of the areas. Well, some of them it's gonna be like 2 weeks, but like my bedroom, for instance, I have a lot of linen and pillows and stuff like that pulled out that are just in a pile. So something like that, I want to clean that up, put it away, give it away, whatever it is I want to do. And I want to work on that maybe half an hour, hour a day, and I should be able to get it tip-top in a week. Probably won't even take me that long. But next week I have a lot of appointments coming up again. I have 1 for myself, 2 for my mom, and then of course I have to take her shopping again. So I won't be home a lot next week. I'll be in and out. So best laid plans of mice and men. Now, if I stayed home all the time, I'm sure I could get much more done, but that's a little unrealistic. So I stopped at Costco on the way back from getting having breakfast with my friend, because Costco is like 5 minutes from there. And their gas was $2.69 today, so it cost me $15 to fill up my tank. But that does not go on my budget book. That goes in a different category. But the breakfast that I have with her does go on my budget book page. So, see, tomorrow I don't have any plans to go anywhere tomorrow, so maybe I can get started on my bedroom and get that cleaned up. And yeah. So that'll be it. So, all right, my friends, that's all I have for you today. I want to wish you abundant blessings. I love you guys. Be good to yourself. Be good to others. God bless you, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, and like. It helps my channel grow. Don't forget to share, and thanks for watching.